Next, we're going to take a look at building a screen that's completely manual. So we're not going to detect downtime reasons automatically. Instead, the operator will select the downtime reasons on a screen and also do the start-stop control. So the first thing we need to do is set up a tag for putting the downtime or the current state for it in. We're going to do this on the south line. So I'm going to add a new tag, a memory tag. I'll just call it state. Int4 is fine. Then we're going to go up to the production model, go to the south line, and we're going to select that tag. So right down to where I added it, the memory tag. And I'm going to add some downtime reasons. So we'll just say machine fault. Reason 2, we want to record that as downtime. We'll go ahead and set this for operator selectable. And we'll call it electrical fault. That will be 3. And we want to record that as downtime. And we'll say waiting for material. And they don't have to be consecutive. So we use 2, 3. We could make that 5 if we want to. And we'll add another, call it break. And we'll make that real high, 100. And that's planned downtime. We're expecting not to run production during that time. Okay, so we have 5 reasons, 2, 3, 5, and 100. Machine fault, electrical fault, waiting for material, and break. I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to go back and go to our run control screen that we had created in a previous session. So this allowed us to select a product code, start the run. We got the indication here. Not too fancy. But what I'm going to do is add a multi-state button to that. I'm going to move 0 up, and I'm going to leave that as off. I'm going to move 1 up. I'm going to make that running. 2, call that machine fault. Add a new one, electrical fault. Waiting for material. I'm going to go over here and change this to 5. And I'll go ahead and change this now to 100. Break. And we can change colors of these and do whatever we want as far as how it looks. I actually want that to be white. Okay, so now we have the buttons here. And we need to set that up so when we click those buttons, we actually change our state tag. So we'll go to tag, there's state, and because this is a control value and I click on it, it's going to be bidirectional. and then the indication tag is the same. So the indication is going to show which one that it's currently selected. That's going to be the same tag that's going to drive that as what we're going to write to the tag. So as we do this, there it goes running, machine fault, off. Now we can't tell that when we make these selections that the system picked up on that. So there's a couple things that we can do. One is downtime reason. We can display that over here. And that will echo back the reason that we selected. And then we also have a running tag here, and we've got many others. And we'll make that a multi-state control. I'll change this very rapidly. We just have 2 items, down and running, that we're interested in. Because it's off, it's saying down. Go to running, our reason disappears and it goes to running. Machine fault says we're down. Electrical fault, waiting for material, and break. So user screen, operator screen, can just select the major reasons that they're down.